Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Seleima, Dikawakawayali, Veisamasama, Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Fiji to the Republic of Indonesia for this morning's commissioning ceremony. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has fulfilled all the prerequisites required to ensure that all Fiji's interests are covered whilst your servant, Seleima Dikawakawayali Veisamasama, is in post. Your Excellency, Seleima Dikawakawayali Veisamasama, whom you have faithfully dispensed, is now ready to fully execute her calling to be Ambassador of the Republic of Fiji to the Republic of Indonesia. Thank you, Your Excellency.
I, Seleima Dikawakawayali Veisamasama, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Seleima Dikawakawayali Veisamasama, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of Ambassador to the Republic of Indonesia with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matters entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Ambassador, congratulations.